How to create an account on Temu. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can create your Temu account. So to begin with, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store and download and install the Temu application. This is the application you can see on the App Store, which is called Temu Shop Like a Billionaire. Once you download it and install the application on your device, you need to tap on Open the application. So guys, once you open the application, you will see an interface like this, and you can continue with your Apple ID, you can continue with Google, you can continue with the Facebook, or continue with an email, or you can use your phone number to create an account. So in this case, I will use the phone number. So I will tap on continue with the phone number. Once you tap on that, you need to first select your country code, or it will be pre-selected according to your location, and then you need to enter your phone number. So guys, once you enter the phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on I agree to receive special events if you want. If not, then just disable that one and tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they will send a code to your phone number and you need to enter the code. So guys, once you enter the code, as you can see, your Temu journey begins here, and the phone number is verified. It will ask you to allow to send you a notification. You can allow that one, and that is it. Your account has been created on Temu application. So if I go to my profile here, as you can see, my account has been created, and then you can actually edit your profile if you want. But this is it. This is how you can create an account on Temu. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.